Good afternoon, students. Today onwards, we are going to start your BCom 4 semester computer application third. Okay, so as we are starting, we start with the syllabus. Okay, the syllabus I have shortlisted the overview points that are chapters. Those are the chapters of in the syllabus. So first chapter is the basic of programming skills, second one is C programming and introduction to OOPS, and third one is internet, and fourth one is internet banking, and fifth one is web based marketing. So before that, here is a PDF or your syllabus copy in detail. So I have shared this data or your syllabus copy to your group, so please go through that. Okay, if you want in detail the syllabus contents. Okay, so now or today we are discussing only the overview of our all the 5 chapters. Okay, chapters means what kind of a syllabus is, what are the practical oriented chapters, what are the theoretical oriented chapters, like that we are going to discuss. Okay, the first chapter is what? Basics of a programming skills. Okay, so basics of a programming skills means what? You are going to write a C program. Okay, that is what your second chapter, or you are going to write a 5 marks answer B in the C section, B section, and C under D section you are going to solve your case study problem. So before writing that C programming, okay, before writing any programming, okay, the basic is what? C programming is standard C programming, means what? All the programs, the C is a standard standard program which you need to study. That is what good opportunity for you guys to study this programming. So whenever you are studying any kind of a programming in a computers, before that you need to prepare your basic skills of writing programs. That is what our first chapter contains, that things. Okay, so in that there are two criteria. First one is what? We are going to write algorithms. Okay, and the second one is what? Flowcharts. Okay, whenever you are going to write a particular programs, before that you need to prepare that that programming in a algorithm and in a flowchart. Okay, that is what you are going to study, that programming. Before writing in a computer, you must prepare yourself. That we are going to study in our what? Basics of a programming skills. So one example I wanted to give here. See, whatever the practical oriented inventions are taking place, in that case we are going to prepare ourselves by using these skills. Okay, so not on directly going to apply your knowledge or your theories or your methods. Before that we need to prepare ourselves, nothing but writing reports before what I can do, like that we need to prepare. So that is what we are going to do in a basics of a programming skills. Okay, so next is what? This is very easy chapter. Okay, first chapter is very easy chapter. In that 2 marks questions will come and 5 marks questions will come. Okay, so like they will ask one question with respect to 5 marks and one or 2 marks in a 2 mark section in a 1 mark in under 2 mark section one question will come up here. Okay, so that is what first chapter of your programming skills. Okay, next one is what? C programming and introduction to OOPS. Okay, so whatever C programming means what, the you have the opportunity to learn C programming, not overall but only essential basic part of a C programming. So even I can tell that you that the C is not yet been, no one has in perfect in this language. Okay, because it is a standard language, it is a high level language, it is a middle level language, it is a low level language. Okay, so what is high level, what is mid level, what is a low level, we'll discuss in future or in next, whenever we are dealing with that chapter, those points will come under. Okay, so it is having all the three things. Okay, so that is what C programming. And C is what? Standard means what? The language when it is started to use, from that onwards still it is still it is used for small or so writing operating systems, like that the C programming can be used. So it is too standard. Once we have, when I am learning this C language, that time our like me, our teacher or our sir told that C man is a human. Means what? Once you learn perfectly C language, you can survive anywhere. So that is what opportunity you have the learning in 4th semester, but not overall. They have included only basic of programming skills of a C programming. Okay, so for that purpose only we are going to study, and how to solve a case study problem with respect to that. They have given the chapters or they have given the points, so that we are going to only study in C programming. Okay, C programming. And the OOPS concept, last one is what? This is what? Standard extended C language. OOPS concept, already C language is there, somewhat the other OOPS object oriented programming, that is what added to this subject, this C language. So that time that concept are going to, you are going to study. Okay, that's it. Okay, so both these first and second chapter, both the first and second chapter are very, what I can say, that very important, not important, but programmatically they are very necessary. Okay, programmatically very important, I can say that. What those are, which subject, which chapters? Both both two chapters are, just wait for a minute. Okay, for programming concept, these two chapters are very important. Okay, so for that we need to study programming skills. Okay, so these two chapters are very practical oriented, I can say. There is a not theory is also there, but they are most probably, they are very importantly, they are on practical oriented languages. Okay, there is a standard writing, how to write a algorithm, how to write a flowchart, how to write any kind of a syntax, how to write a C programs. There are methods, there are formats you can use. So they are with respect to programming very standard and very important, you need to give in these chapters. Okay, so while studying, okay, importance you need to give. Okay, so next one is what? Our third chapter, internet and internet banking and web based marketing. So these three chapters are theoretical. Theoretical means what? There are lot of theories you need to write. Okay, there is nothing like any programming or any kind of a programs you need not to write in these three chapters. Okay, but above chapters, two chapters, the question paper may ask, and under question paper they may ask some programs. Okay, some what writing a C programs, writing algorithms, writing a flow charts, like that they will ask, they are under programming will come. Okay, next one is your 3, 4, 5 chapters: internet banking and web based marketing. So these are 3 chapters with respect to theoretic concept. Okay, so what is internet we are going to study. What is internet, what how it is started, how evolution it is started. Evolution means what? History, how it started, that kind of we are going to, how the DNS, how the websites, how the search engines are used in internet, like that concepts are very easy. And how the internet already we have studied in a second semester, your last sem. Okay, or sorry second semester of your BCom. Okay, that is what same thing here, but somewhat they have added, same thing they have added some more extra points. Okay, so internet, like that I have chosen some, I have like DNS, internet service provider, how the internet are provided by the internet service provider, means what? Airtel, BSNL and Vodafone, like that they are internet service provider, ISP. So, and when you are using internet, we need to give security, internet security, internet is internet privacy, or in cyber laws. Okay, that kind of points will come under where the internet chapter. So that is what we are going to study. Next one is what? Internet banking. So with respect to internet banking, 4th chapter, how it is working, they have given some points, how the internet is working in banking. Okay, like example, telephone bank option is there, telephone banking, core banking option is there, EFT is there, electronic fund transfer is there, RTGS is there. Okay, real time gross settlement. Okay, next one is what? Fax, OMR, like that internet banking is going to work. Okay, so those points we will going to study. Last one is what? Web based marketing. So with respect to web based marketing, last chapter is with thinking that I am going to make a business with the internet. Okay, with respect to internet, I am going to make my business, how to introduce my, or how I can do my what business in the internet. So those things or points we are going to consider with respect to how business can be implemented in a internet. So that is what example, there are some points, 4 P's, CSM, like that they have given. So this is what your overview of the BCom 4 semester computer application. So today we are only overviewed the concept. Okay, so please go through that. The first 2 chapters are very important, they are programmatically. The next 3 chapters are very what? Not programmatically, theoretically. Okay, so they are very easy, not like that tough, very simple important points are given. So we will going to study one by one. Okay, so this is what video I am going to share with your group. Okay, please go through all the videos whatever we are going to share. This one only video we are going to give directly to your group. Next onwards, whatever the videos are going to created, that are going to be shared link of YouTube videos. Okay, means what? We are going to make a YouTube videos and will share a link to you guys. Whenever you have a time, you can use. If it is better, you can use that. If you are not better with that, you can say I can use a Google Meet or Zoom app. With respect to, I can make a classes. Okay, we can carry out the classes. This is what very easily. So as I told, the groups are created last sem, not only last sem, last year only we have created the groups. With respect to that, we are going to share the information under that. Okay, so this one is what your C program, sorry, your 4th semester introduction part of a syllabus. Okay, I hope everyone understood, and we are going to today onward, today and tomorrow onwards we are going to start basic of programming skills. Okay, so be prepared, or whenever we send your videos, you just go through that, how the videos. If there is any problem, you can reply in a groups. Okay, the point whichever you are not understanding, that point you make a point and ask me the question, I can reply. Okay, this is the way we are going to conduct your classes. Thank you, and try to inform your all the friends that we have started the BCom computer application 4th semester syllabus. Thank you.